Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can post something in your Kahoot group, like announcements, for example, for new quizzes for your group. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Kahoot, click into groups here to the left and select groups under recent groups, for example, or if you're a member of a lot of groups, you can navigate to join groups here or owned groups if you're the owner of the group. And yeah, pick the group you'd like to go with. So here, click into the activity tab and you will see the post something button here. Click into it and you can post your announcement or message with up to 500 characters. Like for example, I don't know, next quiz or upcoming quiz tomorrow and so on and so forth. And you may add to your post, for instance, a Kahoot or the quiz you would like to announce, or share the Kahoot. And after that, click into post and it will then appear here on the timeline or activity timeline inside the group, so that all members, you can view the member list here, may be notified of that, of these Kahoots or of these announcements and assignments. So that's it, guys. Alternatively, you may click into create post here below if your activity feed is long and full. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.